to a very disturbing video from inside a high school in the U.S. state of South Carolina. It shows a school resource officer violently removing a female student from her seat as he tries to arrest her. Take a look.
Hands behind your back. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
We don't know exactly what led up to the incident on Monday. Our affiliate WIS reports the student was asked to leave the classroom, and when she refused, the officer was called in. Earlier, I spoke to CNN legal analyst Sunny Hostin about what she saw in the video.
She was sitting down and I guess refusing to leave. That in and of itself, in my view, Aisha, never can justify what we saw. And that's why, you know, oftentimes we have these videos, and I think they're so important. People don't want to believe what their eyes are showing and showing and telling them. I think that people should look at this video and ask themselves, is this appropriate? What if this were my child? Is this excessive? And I think it's really clear that it is.
The officer involved has been placed on administrative leave, and the school district is investigating.